Welcome to this product video for BioJet cabinet. You can lay down your Anilox roll or sleeve on the Falconen wheels. These are soft enough to avoid any damages to the surface of your Anilox roll. With the guiding blocks, you can lock the roll in position to avoid the possibility that the roll will move during the cleaning process. We will measure the volume before cleaning in order to know the exact increase in volume. Now the cleaning process can be started. Close the door with this button and the roll will be cleaned automatically. The roll will be blasted under a pressure of 3 bar with sodium bicarbonate. This is hard enough to take out the contamination, but not hard enough to damage the ceramic or chrome-plated surface of your Anilox roll. For example, the hardness of ceramic is approximately 6.5 mho. Our blast media is 2.5 mho. Now we make another volume measurement to see the increase in volume. Our customers will get a volume report for each roll we clean, so that they know what the exact status of their Anilox rolls is. This report looks like this screenshot.